I'm going to make a poinsettia now. Now I've done a lot of this already. So these are the centres. So I've got some very fine wire. So I've got all my little petals already. And it's a matter of putting them in different sequences round. Now these petals, I've done them as red as I can. Red's a very funny colour to get to dye, because of course, like I said before, the paste comes in white and then you colour it up. So everything is wired up, and as we wire up, we have to use our crepe paper tape. When you stretch it, it releases the glue, and everything has to be taped so you can't see any wire. So that's the start of it. Then we go on to our next leaves, petals. Actually, poinsettias, the leaves are actually one or two the same thing. The leaves, which are green to begin with, turn to red. So it's a matter of putting these different angles. And as you can see from this one, this is the pink one. So some more wire. So it's coming along slowly. Always cut the wire with a proper wire cutter, never with your lovely sharp scissors, which I use a lot for my flower making